Hi everyone, I am Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we have got the 7 tense usages and we will be discussing them one by one. Let's begin with the first one. We use this tense for those actions which were happening in past but having result in present. Keep in your mind the usage number one, there are some actions which happen in past, which are continued in past, and we have their result in present. Like I say, I completed the usages of 6 tenses. Now this is what in previous lecture we have completed the usages of how many tenses? 6. Those were continued in past and now we have got their result. You can check them on YouTube. In the same way, we have got the second example. She has eaten food. Now this is what action of eating was done in past. Now we have got the result that she has completed this work of eating food. So we say that she has eaten food. Usage number 2, we use this tense to express the idea of completion or achievement. Whenever we achieve something or complete something, we use this tense, like we say, I have done my masters. This is what I have achieved, this goal, and this is what I am sharing here, that I have done my masters. He has done his advance. Now the course of English language is being completed by the teachers or by the institutes within 1 hour or within 1.5 hours. So this is what I say, that he has done his advance. So this is what achievement of 1 year he has spent, and he has achieved this target of doing advance. Usage number 3, we use this tense with ever and never. We use it with ever and never. Okay, we use ever and never in this tense, and keep in your mind, ever is used for asking questions and never is used in your negative sentences. And ever means in your entire life, have you done that action or not? Ever means the same. Like, have you ever been to France? Now this means that have you ever visited France in your all life or in your entire life? That is known as ever. So ever is used in asking questions. Have you ever been to France? And second example, she has never taught Arabic. That never means not in his all life. Ever and never, keep in your mind, they both give in entire life. Ever is used for asking questions and never is used in negative sentences. So have you ever been to France, and she has never taught Arabic. Usage number 4, we use this tense with today, this morning, this evening, this week, this month, this year, etc. For example, I say this month they have launched new classes. This year we have suffered a lot because of COVID-19. Today we have visited our new branch. This is what today, this morning, this evening, you'll be using these with this tense. Hope you got these 4 usages. Let's discuss the remaining ones in next slide. We have got usage number 5, that is known as, we use this tense with this is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time, this is the fourth time, this is the 1000th time, this is the 18th time, this is the 50th time, whatever you call. You will be using these expressions in this tense. Like we say, this is the first time I have seen him. So this is the first time I have seen him, you will be using with this tense. This is the third time you have insulted them. This is the second time you have gotten first position. So these expressions you will be using in this tense in order to express the duration of time. This is the first time, this is the second, this is the 10th time, this is the 4th time, this is the 1000th time, etc. Usage number 6, we use this tense with how long. Keep in your mind, you will be using it with how long for asking questions. Now how long is used for asking questions for the duration of time. Like we say, how long have you taught grammar? Now this is what, if someone asks me, how long have you taught grammar? I say, I have taught grammar for 14 years. Now here I said for 14 years. Now this for 14 years is known as your duration of time. When you want to ask a question about the duration of time, you will be using how long. In the same way, we have got second example, how long has she waited? Now she has waited for 10 minutes. Now this is what 10 minutes. Now over here 10 minutes is the duration of time when you reply someone, then that will be the answer of how long. So keep in your mind how long is used for asking questions. Seventh usage we have got, okay, we use this tense with just, already and yet. Just, already and yet. He has just come now. Just will express the moment or the time that he has just come now, means a moment ago he has come, and maybe he has spent some 2 minutes, 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, whatever, but that is just a moment. In the same way, we have got second example, you have already subscribed to my channel. Already means that action is being done before my saying. So this is what, when something is done before saying of someone, that there you'll be using already. And they have not come yet. Keep in your mind the word yet you will be using in your negative sentences. They have not come yet means this will express the time that this present time still is not arrived. So you will say that they have not come yet. Hope you got the usages of present perfect tense. Wish you best of luck. See you next time. Goodbye.